In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track training tasks in ClickUp. By the end, you'll have a clean, repeatable system to manage team development from start to finish. Start by opening ClickUp and creating a dedicated workspace for training. You can add a new space or, if you prefer to keep things under an existing space, create a folder there. Name it Team Training so it's easy to find later, and pick a color and icon that will stand out in your sidebar. A clear visual identity helps your team recognize where training lives at a glance. Inside that space or folder, create a new list and call it Training Tasks. This list will be the home base for every training activity, whether it's a workshop, an online course, or a coaching session. Think of it as your master checklist for team growth. Quick note before we continue. If you need ClickUp, I've placed a direct link to the website and the app download at the top of the description so you can follow along and set this up as you watch. Next, customize your workflow by setting statuses that match training progress. Open the list settings, go to statuses, and add stages like not started, in progress, under review, and completed. These milestones make it clear where each task stands and make handoffs smoother. To keep details organized, add custom fields to the list. Include assigned team member using a person or drop-down field so ownership is obvious. Add training type with options like workshop, online course, or coaching to categorize work. Include due date and completion date so you can measure timeliness. Finally, add a notes or resources field for links to materials, agendas, or reference documents. Centralizing details reduces back and forth and keeps context in one place. Inside each training task, create a concise checklist to guide execution. Include steps like register for training, complete training materials, attend the session or watch the video, submit any assignment or assessment, and get feedback or review. Checklists reduce ambiguity and help ensure no step is missed. Assign each task to the responsible team member and set a due date. Use timeline or calendar view to visualize the schedule, balance workloads, and spot conflicts before they happen. To track progress, switch to board view for a Kanban-style flow, list view for detailed data, and Gantt or timeline view for longer-term plans and dependencies. When a training task is completed, move it to an archived trainings list to maintain a clean history. For recurring programs, duplicate previous tasks to save time and maintain consistency. That's the system. If this helped, give it a like. Subscribe for more tutorials and thanks for watching.